In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import projects in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to bring an existing project into DaVinci Resolve, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look toward the bottom right area of the interface. From there, click the Home button. This takes you out of the current editing workspace and opens the Project Management panel, which is where you can organize, open, and import projects. Once that panel appears, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of it. You'll see an Import option there. Go ahead and click Import. This is the option you use when you want to bring in a project file that already exists on your computer or external drive. After clicking Import, a file browser window will open. At this point, simply navigate to the location where your project file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved in different folders. Once you find the project you want to bring into DaVinci Resolve, select it. After selecting the file, the import process is essentially complete. DaVinci Resolve will add that project into your project library so you can open it and continue working. It's a very simple process, but knowing exactly where to click can save you time, especially if you're new to the software. One helpful tip is to make sure the project file has been fully transferred to your computer if it came from another editor, another machine, or a backup location. If the file is missing or incomplete, the import may not work as expected. It's also a good idea to keep your project files organized in clearly named folders, so they're easier to find during this step. That's really all there is to it. You go to the bottom right, click the Home button, wait for the panel to appear, click Import in the bottom left, and then choose the file you want to import. Once selected, your project is brought into DaVinci Resolve and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly learn how to import projects in DaVinci Resolve.